With KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha poa ono, happy Saturday. Today was gorgeous with our weather. We have a lot of blue skies stretched across the islands with some windward showers, but we are going to be seeing more improvement if that is a possibility. Taking a peek tomorrow across all the islands where we are expected to see mostly sunny skies during the afternoon, especially on the coast on Hawaii Island. That could be seeing more mostly cloudy skies, but for the most part another mostly dry day across the islands with the winds going to continue in a moderate fashion, but that's going to be one change as we step into the days ahead of us, but strong enough to keep our small craft advisory in effect for eastern waters up until tomorrow evening, and then we are going to continue to see the winds weaken. In terms of our surf, flat to 2 up towards the north, 1 to 3 for the west, 2 to 4 for the east and the south. We're going to have another little southerly bump as we get to around Wednesday or so. In terms of our Makani, we are going to start to see winds weaken off as we get through tomorrow, stepping into Memorial Day, and wind speeds are going to be around 10 up to 15 miles per hour, and that will pretty much carry us through the middle of the week. What's taking place across the islands or around the islands is we have a high pressure system stationed towards the northwest helping to fuel these trade winds, but there's going to be some disturbance north of that that's going to help to disrupt the winds. That's the high pressure will start to weaken itself, and that's going to lead to some weaker winds. We also have this upper level disturbance that's north of the islands that's only going to be moving further away, and that's going to allow drier air to fill its place, and that's going to pretty much be the weather forecast stepping into the new week through the holiday into the middle of the week. So not much disturbance. We're looking to have some beautiful conditions, but with the beautiful conditions and lack of rain, it's only going to contribute to increase of threat in terms of drought and fire conditions. Right now, and this is going to be the forecast for the dry season, is going to be focused over Hawaii Island, where we have 7%, which is indicated in extreme or the red, and Maui County right now with just some severe conditions, but that's going to be the area of the state that we're going to continue to focus on throughout this dry season, because we are going to potentially, unfortunately, expect that to increase. Now, aside from dry season, we do have hurricane season, which starts in just a week from now. And as of right now, we are in this neutral phase between La Nina, El Nino. And as of right now, 1 to 4 storms are expected. We are already looking to see one form potentially in the eastern Pacific. Please download that KHON2 mobile app and subscribe to those push alerts. Again, hurricane season starts June 1st. In terms of Memorial Day, just 2 days away, beautiful conditions, trade winds look to be carrying us through the extended forecast.